Are you considering buying a used laptop but concerned about its battery life? Don't worry, you can easily check the battery status without any third-party software. Just follow these simple steps. On your laptop, open the command prompt. You can do this by typing cmd in the search bar and press enter. In the command prompt to Windows, type the following command: powercfg space /baddery report and press enter. This command will generate a battery report file. The file path will be displayed in the command prompt to Windows. It typically looks something like this. Then copy the file path and paste it into your browser's address bar. Press enter to open the file. Here is the display. You have all the detailed information about the laptop's battery, including its health, usage history, and capacity. By following these easy steps, you can make an informed decision about the laptops you are interested in purchasing. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.